Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up outreach emails using Mailshake for link building step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Mailshake account. Navigate to the dashboard and click on the Campaigns tab. Select the option to create a new campaign. Choose the link building template from the available options. In the campaign settings, enter a memorable name for your outreach project. Proceed to the Recipients section to upload your list of prospects. You can add recipients manually or upload a CSV file. Ensure that the CSV includes essential fields like first name, last name, and email address. Once your list is ready, click on Next. Now, move to the Templates section to create your outreach email. Start with a catchy subject line that grabs attention. In the body of the email, personalize your message to resonate with each recipient. Incorporate the recipient's name and other relevant details to make it feel tailored. Include a clear call to action that encourages the recipient to respond. Once satisfied with your email template, proceed to the Sending section. Choose your sending settings, including the number of emails to send per day. Schedule your campaign to begin at a specific date and time if necessary. Double-check all details to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Launch Campaign button to start your outreach. Monitor the campaign's progress by checking the Analytics section regularly. Review response rates and adjust your messaging as needed for better results. Follow up with recipients who haven't responded after a set period. Implement any feedback you receive to fine-tune your approach for future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.